Hello guys, welcome to the next 5KP video for this week. It's Tuesday 27th of October 2020 and we're living in very exciting times of high volatility, presidential elections, earning announcements, coronavirus and all of this. So we're having very interesting trading days and weeks recently, and I think there is a lot of things to learn, and we'll look at the portfolio today. I will go through all the positions and we talk about how to trade in conditions like this and what to do with the portfolio a little bit, not to be killed and how to basically approach this kind of situation, and I will tell you also how I handle my own live account right now, but we're trading here on paper, so I'm a little bit more aggressive with some strategies here than on my live account, but we'll discuss all that, and I'm looking forward to explain you some things and look at some new trades. But before we do that, I want to bring this disclaimer as always, and let me just bring it back again. So remember, this is for informational and educational purposes only. I don't give any trading advice. All decisions that you make trading on your live account is on you, not on me. I'm just showing you how to trade options. So we can look at the account here, what's going on. You see we have just really not that many positions. I opened a few more last week, but they didn't get filled, and I'm kind of happy because of this, because markets were being jumpy, bumpy and unpredictable. It's really like a casino. And some of the positions which were not entered, actually that's really good. So I didn't force them to be filled, and therefore we have just this many, and we're gonna go through all of these. But first let's look at the performance and all the numbers that we have. Okay, before we go there, I'm just really quickly gonna show you what's going on with S&P 500 right now. So we're having this crazy pattern here. So we had like this long uptrend, then it dropped significantly. It kind of built this inverted head and shoulders, which started going up, but then since we're having these elections, earnings, COVID news from Europe, all this to me looks like it started going down again, and it's like really hard to say. I mean, that's now dropped below 20-day and 50-day moving average, simple moving average. So we see that last candle is quite below, like it's not even a little below 50-day. And then there is, like, if I just draw it for you guys, there is this space between where we are now with the price and the next stop, which is I would see the first stop at around 330 level, and then 320 level, and then at the level of like 314, something like this, when the 200 simple moving averages. So we will have like this three-step kind of drop possibility here, lots of space for it to drop if it decides to go down. But keep in mind that we also have these discussions about stimulus, and lots of things may happen on the reverse. So it still didn't kind of drop below the shoulders here of the, I mean, it did a little bit today, but kind of standing there below the shoulders of this inverted head and shoulders. So it may look like it came up, touched down on the support, and then it might actually bounce. So it's still like technically possible. Really hard to say where it's gonna go from today on. I mean, like, I don't have a crystal ball. It looks like it could go any direction. So if I just bring here the Pepsi and I can see what's going on in there. I see that was traded before. Looks like it's stuck sort of in a box. It had some movement here, like correlated with what was going on with the market, and it's kind of bumpy, jumpy with some gaps, but generally staying very close to the level of 140. It's like reached its middle now, and I can see clearly brackets at which I could be trading this. That would probably like iron condor from between 130 and a little bit below, maybe 129. Chart looks like we could collect $42. So if we sell 2 contracts there, it's like $84. That's a pretty cool trade, I think, thanks to that beautiful volatility. Analyze it, and it's the big condor. So there we go. We're like in the middle of that chart. Actually, we're much closer to the call side. You see that if the stock picks up, all of a sudden starts going